How to become a superhost on Airbnb. So if you want to boost your Airbnb profile and you want to earn that superhost badge, here's exactly what you need to do. First, to qualify as a superhost, okay, you will basically need to be an owner of a home listing with an account that is in good standing, okay? Co-hosted listings do not count. Now, here are the key requirements. So, you must have hosted at least 10 reservations or at least 3 reservations that total 100 nights. Okay? And your response rate needs to be 90% or higher, right? So, you want to make sure you go ahead and reply to those guests quickly, right? And your cancellation rate also must be below 1% unless there's actually a valid reason, like, for example, a major disruption, right? For example, like these ones right here, maybe there was a public health emergency or government travel restrictions. And most importantly, you need to maintain an overall rating of 4.8 or higher from guest reviews. So look at these. This one is 4.95, 4.92, right? These people are super hosts. Okay? And now we need to discuss when actually Airbnb checks your status. So superhost evaluations happen every 3 months based on your performance over the last 12 months. So the assessment dates are January 1st, April 1st, July 1st, and October 1st, basically each quarter. And if you meet all the requirements, you'll automatically become a superhost. There's no need to apply. Airbnb will basically notify you, but it may take up to a week for the badge to basically go ahead and show on your profile. And if you qualify in between the assessment periods, you'll still have to wait until the next evaluation period before the status is awarded. And it's really that easy and simple. And once you get this superhost status, it should help you get more bookings.